So basically, this is the blueprint on what you need to become successful with affiliate marketing. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners. So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, or you're just trying to get more information about it, then this video is going to help you out. Now, this video is only part one of this little series when it comes to getting started with affiliate marketing as a beginner. The reason why I'm going to make this into a little series is because there's a whole lot of information to pack into one video. So basically, in this video, I'm just going to be explaining what affiliate marketing is and what you need to get started if you want to become successful with it. So before I get into this video, I just want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload part 2 to this little series. Okay, so let me just start off with the basics. So what is affiliate marketing? Basically, affiliate marketing is just where you're promoting other people's products online through a link that's coded directly to you. So this is going to be what's called your affiliate link. So whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they purchase the product that you're promoting, then you're going to earn a commission. Now, there's plenty of different affiliate programs out there. Just to name a few, there's clickbank.com, there's Amazon Associates, and then there's JVZoo. Those are just to name a few free programs that you can get started with. Then there's other programs out there that pay you high ticket commissions. But usually these type of programs, you first have to be approved in order to become an affiliate with them. Or you have to pay to become an affiliate for their program. So I'm just going to write down these little steps on what you need to get started real quick on the whiteboard right here so you guys can see them. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do when you're getting started with affiliate marketing is you need to pick a niche. So basically, this is going to be a category that you're going to be focusing on. And when it comes to picking a niche, I highly recommend just going with a category that you're really passionate about. Now, the whole reason it's important to pick a niche that you're passionate about is because you're going to have to put in a lot of work. You're going to have to create content or run ads or spend money that's going to be focusing around this niche. And if you're not pretty much focusing on a niche that you're passionate about, more than likely you're going to quit because you're going to see all the hard work that you're going to have to put in. And at first, when you're getting started, especially if you have no money to invest, you're probably not going to see results right away. So that can discourage anybody who's just promoting a niche that they're not really passionate about. They're just in it for how much money they could potentially make. Okay, so step number 2 is you have to pick an affiliate program. So like I just mentioned, there's a few different free programs that you can get started with. You can start with clickbank.com. I would highly recommend that if you're just getting started because it's free to join. And there's a lot of products that pay you higher ticket commissions as opposed to if you're getting started with Amazon Associates. And I believe recently Amazon, they just slashed the commission rates for their affiliates. So it might not be even worth it to promote products on Amazon. Okay, so step number 3 is you have to pick a product. Now, this is probably the thing that gets people most caught up with when they're getting started with affiliate marketing. They probably think they have to have the best product to promote in order to start making money. But that's not the case at all. As long as your product solves one problem that your ideal customer is dealing with, then that's a great product to go with. And of course, you should pick a product that's related to your niche. So for example, if you're in the health and fitness niche, it wouldn't make much sense for you to promote a product that is showing people how to make money online, because your target customer are going to be people who are interested in health and fitness, how to lose weight, how to be healthier. So they're not going to really be interested in learning how to make money online. So it's important to pick a product that is related to your niche. Now, the fourth thing that you're going to need is you're going to need to pick an email software service. Now, most people would want to skip out on this part because you do have to invest some money into paying a monthly fee for an email software service. And if you're just getting started out, I mean, I would highly recommend just getting one. A lot of them have free trials that you can try out. And after that, they have like a monthly membership fee. And I'll leave links for a few suggestions in the description of this video. But basically what an email software service does is it allows you to send automated emails to the people who join your email list. And I'll get into that later on in this series. But I highly recommend just investing into an email software service. Sure, you can just pick a product and just start spamming your affiliate link all over the internet, but to be honest, that's not really a proven method to become successful with affiliate marketing. Okay, so step number 5 is you need to pick a platform. So what I mean by this is that you need to pick some type of platform on social media, whether it's YouTube, whether you're starting a blog, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok. And you're going to have to create content that's surrounding your niche. So for example, like I mentioned earlier, you might be interested in the health and fitness niche, So I would recommend that you create some type of content, highly recommending videos, because that captures people's attention a lot more than just pictures or just blog articles. So what you can do is you can create a few different YouTube videos that's focusing on health and fitness, maybe showing people some cooking recipes that's going to help them lose weight. And when you do that over time, that's going to start to build you an audience, and those people are going to be more likely to buy the product that you're promoting. Now, when you pick a platform, I recommend that you stick to one and you learn how to master it before you move on to another one. You don't want to spread yourself too thin and start promoting on every platform available, because you're going to put out a lot of work and you're not going to really see too many results from that. So don't try to put out YouTube videos and then Facebook and then be on Instagram and also TikTok and also doing blog articles, because that's going to be way too much work. So if you're good at YouTube, I recommend going with YouTube videos. If you want to be on Facebook, you can do that as well. You can even do a podcast. Now, if you have a budget to run ads, I would recommend that you choose one paid method and one free method. So if you know how to run Facebook ads, I would recommend you do that while you're also creating content on YouTube as well. So that's an example of one paid method and one free method. Or maybe you know how to run Google ads, you can do that as well, as long as you have another free method that you can use to get free traffic to you. Now, the next thing that you need to do is you need to deliver value in your content. So value can mean different things. It depends on what your target audience is looking for. So for example, if, like I keep mentioning, using weight loss as an example, value can just be sharing weight loss tips, healthy eating recipes that's going to help people lose weight. If your niche is in maybe the making money online niche, delivering value can just be showing people a few different tips on how they can save money, how they can make money online. What are the best autoresponder services out there? What's the best funnel building software? So it all really depends on what your niche is. But if you're having trouble figuring out what value is for your target customer, just think of a pain point or a problem that they're dealing with and what's something that you can help them resolve with your product. And lastly, you need to give a call to action, or this is known as a CTA. So basically, this is letting the people who are interested in your product or your service, you're letting them know what you want them to do next. So whether you're creating YouTube videos, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, TikTok videos, whatever, a simple call to action can be just saying, hey, if you're interested in getting started, click the link right here to learn more. Or if you're tired of struggling with this certain problem, click this link to get started. Because you can have the best type of value out there, people can get a great message from your content, but if you don't give them a call to action, they're not going to do what you want them to do, as far as click on the link and that's going to take them to the sales page and buy whatever product you're promoting. Now, you can apply these same steps on your own, and if you're brand new, more than likely, I'm pretty much guaranteeing almost that you are going to make mistakes, because that's just part of the learning process. But you have to be willing to fail forward. So if you make a mistake, you just have to simply learn from that mistakes and keep on pushing forward. Don't give up, because that's what a lot of people do in this industry as far as other industries. As soon as they make a mistake, they fail one time, they basically give up. They say, it's not meant for me, or this just doesn't work, it's a scam. Maybe other people are able to make it work, but it's just not for me. Those type of people, they don't make it because they're not willing to make a mistake and basically fail forward. So this is something that you need to do if you want to become successful with affiliate marketing. But if you want step-by-step instructions from people who have been in this industry for over 10 years, then I highly recommend checking out the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. So basically, over the course of 15 days, you're going to learn how to create a high-ticket, high-profit business. I'll leave a link in the top of the description if you guys want to check it out. So that's basically the outline of what you need in order to get started with affiliate marketing. Like I mentioned earlier, this is just an intro for beginners. So be on the lookout for part 2, where I'll be talking about picking a niche, picking a program, and picking a product in more detail. So I highly recommend just subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you guys don't miss out on that. So if you guys enjoyed this video or got some type of value from it, then give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps it out. And like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to learn how to get started with your own online business, then I'll leave a link in the top of the description for the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. Well, that's basically it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.